Hi, this is Paul back at the iCafe studio again. Today we're going to talk to you about your teacher web pages, and the first steps we're going to go through is editing your profile. In order to edit your profile, you need to go to your teacher page on your campus website. So if we come down to my computer, I'm on the Velasquez site already. I'm going to click on Teachers and find the teacher that I'm going to update. When her page opens, if I scroll all the way down and to the right, you have a teacher use only box. This is where you're going to do all of your editing. I'm going to click on Edit Profile. That's the option I want this time, and it's going to prompt you to log in. The first thing you need to do is you need to change default to LDAP users. If you do not do that, it will not work for you. Putting in my district ID and password, and I'm logging in. When this populates, you're going to see that there are teachers from all over the district listed here. If you've been here recently, your name may be towards the top, but your best option will be to click on the search button. The search button is located right towards the top. If I click on search, I can choose to search for your username, and it will pop up with yours on it right away. That's the simplest way to get there. To edit your profile, I don't click on my name. I come over to where it says Actions on the drop down, and I click to Edit Properties. As this is opening, you're going to see that there is a little wizard that will help you out. It'll guide you through all the processes as we go. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to look at is my photo. I don't have a photo attached here, so I'm going to select my image. Okay? I'm going to grab from my computer, and I'm going to browse for it so I can find it. If you are getting an image, the best things that you want to do is you want to choose an image that is a portrait image, and you need to resize it first. There is a video on that, on resizing your image, that you can refer to as well. After I find my image, I'm going to select my library. Okay? Once again, the easiest thing for you to do would be for you to search for the teachers library. So I'm going to type in the word teachers, and it should show up. There it goes. All right, teachers came in. I hit enter, and it happened. So after you put in the word, make sure you hit enter. I'm going to check the box next to teachers. I'm going to click done, and it's going to show that it's here, and now I can choose to upload this image. Okay? You're going to see right here the preview that it looks bad, but it will automatically adjust the image to the way it's supposed to be. Okay? Now that we've added our photo, we're going to go down and we're going to talk about our bio and our additional information. Both of these tabs can be used to put in any information that you feel is worthy for your parents to know and your students to know on your page. If you were a teacher in the district previous to this year, then your information was carried over that you had, so you made it go into edit it. If you are new, it will more than likely be blank, and you're going to have to go in and add all the information you want. This works just like a WYSIWYG editor. You have a few options here to keep track of and to change some of your font if you want to. There are options available for you, but try to stay consistent. If you want more formatting options, there is a button here to allow you to choose all these drop-down options. But most of your things will be in the basic options, especially when we're talking about working just within your bio and your additional information. Some great things that you can put in your bio would be contact information, a phone number, an email address, maybe your conference time. If you wish, you can add more about yourself in there, but that is totally up to you. In additional information, again, anything else that you feel is worthy to add, you can put in here. And you also have an important notice box at the bottom where you can type in like a one-line sentence or something. And if you do that, it will show up at the top of your web page. Do note, if you put it in important notice, it will stay there until you take it off. So if it says field trip next week, you'll have a field trip next week, every week this year until you remove it. Okay? Once I have all these things done, I can't forget to publish. I click on Publish, and my page will be updated automatically. That's it for editing profiles. This is Paul from the iCafe studio. Come back again for some more videos on teacher web pages.